Hey Gonzalo, what's on the menu for today?
Today we're gonna test something. Image
Oh,
quality between the Avata 2 and the Nano.
so Gonzalo is trying now the Avata 2 with the Osmo Nano on top. Let me ask him how he feels about the extra weight on top of the Avata. So, how does it feel, Gonzalo?
It's a bit heavy, but it flies okay.
Okay.
But it's,
Okay, as in, would you use it?
if I have to.
But it's a bit windy today, right?
It's windy, yes, but I would not use it in horizontal because I believe the image is better, but not that much better. So there's no need for that. Right?
If you think about the weight distribution when you go vertical, it's gonna
I
be
mean,
harder.
this mount is forward already, so it's already more weight on the front, but the camera is not that heavy, so I think it's fine. The vertical, yes, it's going to be different a bit, but we'll see.
That's one good thing about the Osmo Nano, right?
Yes, setting the exposure before takeoff and matching to the Avata 2.
Gonzalo just flew his first battery. I think it went pretty smoothly. You just need to adapt to the weight of the drone. But now I'm gonna try the second battery and we'll go step by step and see how it goes. Now we're going for the second battery, as I told you before, and Gonzalo is gonna take us through the whole process.
Let's go. So, taking off in manual mode in the Avata 2. Can I go?
Yeah.
The drone feels a bit heavier, but not that much. Now we're going to the left side, towards the sun, going down. I'm gonna go back because of the signal on the sides. Like, it's going down, it's orange, it's orange. Okay, went through. I'm trying to go close to the water. It's slower this way because it's against the wind. A bit closer to the waves. The drone is shaking a bit. Don't know if you guys can notice. But go all the way to the other side of the beach. It's high wind velocity warning, the Avata, but that's almost always because it's what it is. So I'm going to turn around here. Now do a little bit of a dive and come back between on my back. Faster, of course. There we go. 90 kilometers an hour. Go, go, go. So, up, down the hole. Coming to the right side. Left, coming in now. Do a little bit of an orbit here if I can. Away. Again to the other side. Low, low, low. Oh, rock. Going for round 2. Battery is still at 80%. With the Nano on top, which is great because it's windy. Not very windless like the other day.
Very
So
windless.
here we come back again. Down, down. Just shaking a bit. Low, low, low. Trying to go a bit further now. Not losing connection. It's like 15 megabits, 13, 9. So just go higher.
Testing your luck, huh?
I'm always testing my luck with the Avata 2. That's why it's great. You can test your luck a lot and you are still safe. So back again, over the rocks. Try to dive behind this. Just get past this. Here I come. Okay, 67% battery.
Okay.
I mean, I'm at 25 degrees angle, so it's not that much, but it's okay. It's fighting the wind to one side, with the wind to the other. So, going a bit further now. The drone feels really good. The Nano does not feel that heavy on the drone. Can fly very good, so it's really nice. Coming back again. Sorry, there's people. I need to go this side.
Yeah. I think that's
Low on the waves. Up, back,
and over.
back, and it's over. Yes. I come again. Orbits.
So now we're gonna try out the vertical mount and see how the Avata handles the weight distribution. I think it's gonna be a little harder because it's kind of like a thing sticking out. Let's see how it flies. I feel it a bit heavier. Didn't manage to feel the weight, but I think it could fly, actually. It could be a thing. Let me check. So I'm just going, okay, close to the rocks. Going now into the beach. Nothing fancy because I don't know how it handles. And I don't know if it could like snap at any moment. Because today it's a bit windy, not the perfect day to fly this, but until now it's doing its job. Okay, so climbing up, heading down. Okay, coming towards us. Super fast. Okay, okay, not bad, not bad. But it wiggles a bit. I think it's because of the wind. I'm gonna try to lose Gonzalo's drone right now.
Oh,
Going
no.
into the hole.
No, please, no.
Oh yes!
Who knows?
Okay, lining up. Low signal, low speed. But I think we're gonna make it. 12 megabits. Okay, not bad.
I mean, the filter mount is broken, so
But I'm fighting the wind right now, and you can see from the footage. I'm against the wind. Not the easiest of flights, especially on the underpowered drone like the Avata. It flies beautifully if there's no winds. With no wind, it's probably one of my favorite drones. But let's see now in favor of the wind. Okay, gonna lock on into a wave. Okay, getting close. Not risking too much. Okay, getting close to us. Okay, going around. Closer to Gonzalo. Trying to keep up orbits. Woo! Okay, let's try to do a reel. Okay, I'm going close to the road, gonna dive down. But the thing is, with the wind, I cannot move. Okay, let's try another thing. Go towards this side. Eesh. It's really struggling with the wind right now. Okay. Gonna line up. Okay, let's go. Coming back. gonna pass through us and going to the sea. Like I would for the Instagram.
Please come back with my drone, okay?
Yeah, I'm coming back. As I said before, actually this could work with the vertical mount. I think it works really well, but today is not the perfect day to test this out. But we still make it because in our area, there's always wind here, so. Okay, coming back, now in normal mode so you can see the drone. Okay, so I'm gonna land. You wanna push your hand? So you wanna start or should I? Okay, let me just say this. In days of windless, it's very good. No, but in days without winds, I think this setup should be really, really good. I didn't feel as much vibration as I think I would because it's vertical. But I think it's really a plus to have a true vertical camera on top of the Avata, especially if it's your only drone. I think it really pairs well with the Avata.
Yeah, I mean, if you do social media work, but you also have YouTube or record like usually 16:9 also, you can do both things like this, like we do on the other drones.
Yeah.
And the Avata is a very practical drone to travel. And I mean, with the horizontal Nano on top, I didn't feel that much different. It's a tad heavier, but there was much wind today, so I'm not sure if it has to do with that. But I flew it beautifully, so I think it's awesome. And if you want to try this setup, maybe give it a try and let's see.
Yeah, and I think just to finish things up, I think the weight of the Nano, it works beautifully with the Avata.
We are using our mount, as you guys can see, the vertical regular version, because the inverted one, maybe we would show the Avata, I'm not sure, but I think this works fine. You can get this thing if you want. Link is in the description, of course.
Yeah.
And
yeah, so remember to subscribe and we'll be with you next week.
okay,
So,
see ya!
See you guys.
Hi guys, Gonçalo from the future here. So I've been experimenting a bit more with the Avata 2 mounts. I'm gonna show you guys a bit of the process here. This is from version 1 till the end. The final versions are over there, I'll show you guys in a bit. And these are some things I've been trying now. I'm especially happy with this. And I'll show you on the drone now. So, regular vertical mount, inverted vertical mount, horizontal. You can use all of these here. They all work great. The thing is they're a bit heavier. I mean, not heavy because it says 19 grams, the regular one. These are 20, but protection is great, so I prefer to use this than just lighter mounts. But now I've been trying to develop this. It's not great. We're not going to sell it. It works. I think it works just fine, but I'm not being able to print it right. There's always some defects on the print, so I'm going to give this away. I'm going to give this away together with the half-naked mount, something we've been trying to do. It's literally half the mount, but I think it looks really cool. Nano, half naked. I mean, I can show you this first. This is a light version. Slide it in, push this. I think it works fine. Functionality, it's there. I can still put the dock here, like the other ones. And it's easy to take out. Just slide it out, this up, and it's out. This is 10.5 grams. This is also 10.5 grams, but half the protection, half the case, but it looks really cool. Just slide it in like this. Push the ring to the correct side around the lens, and it's very, very tight. So so I don't think this will come off even in more aggressive flights, but I don't recommend it for that. So this is for FPV tours. It's peculiar, but I think it looks great. Here, if you just don't want to take it out, it stays like low profile or lower, I mean, because there's half the mount missing. The bundle will be like a bundle with these two. The inverted vertical with protection, the half naked. I really like this. And this will be an offer, like a gift. You have 3 mounts. You can use it with the Avata, you can use it on any Cinewhoop, you can use it on any drone, really. But check it, grab them on our site, on our store, sorry, and enjoy it. Bye guys!